Hello friends, welcome to our channel Financial Pathshala. As some of you have requested us to post videos in English, so here it is. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Today in this video we are going to talk about Bank of India's Jai Jawan Salary Plus account. As you can see in the given images, this account is a salary account for our defense forces. It can be opened by the personnel related to Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy and Indian Coast Guards. Also, ex-servicemen and new recruits which are under training are also eligible to open this account. But one thing is, the person related to paramilitary forces are not eligible for opening this account. Now let's discuss about the attractions of this account. In this account, group personal accidental insurance is provided by Bank of India at its own expense, and its maximum cover is 30 lakh rupees. Suppose a person gets permanently disabled, then maximum insurance cover is 30 lakh rupees. But if a person is partially disabled, then maximum cover is 15 lakh rupees. But suppose death of a person occurs due to air accident, then insurance amount increases to 1 crore. But there is one condition for all the above insurance. The condition is maximum insurance cover which is available is either 10 times of gross annual income of the account holder or any of the above mentioned applicable insurance coverages, whichever is less. Second important attraction of this account is easy overdraft facility. For commissioned officers, maximum overdraft facility is 2 lakh or 4 times of net monthly salary, whichever is less. Also, check bounce protection of up to 50,000 is provided for commissioned officers. And in case of non-commissioned officers, maximum overdraft facility of 1 lakh or 3 times of net monthly salary, whichever is less, is provided. Also, check bounce protection for non-commissioned officers is up to 25,000. The next important point to be discussed is BOI Star Jai Jawan Home Loan Scheme. Under this scheme, a person whose house or flat is constructed by Army Welfare Organization or Indian Air Force Naval Housing Board and is financed by Bank of India dies due to some war or external aggression or due to some terrorist attack, then a benefit of up to 50 lakh is available to his family. Remember, this benefit is other than the benefits which we have discussed earlier. Benefit of 50 lakh means if outstanding loan is up to 50 lakh, then it will be written off. Now let's discuss about other concessions which are given to these account holders. These account holders are eligible for locker facility at a 30% discounted rate of normal rate. And they can open these lockers in their name or any of their family members' name. Second concession which is given is 0.5% discount in retail loan. Retail loan can be any, like personal, vehicle or home loan. But remember one thing, it is subjected to minimum threshold. And the third concession which is given is PPC charges are 100% waived off. Other benefits which are given to these account holders are platinum debit card and add-on card is absolutely free for Jai Jawan Salary Plus account holders. And you can withdraw up to 50,000 per day from ATM or swipe for up to 1 lakh per day on POS or EDC machine. Also, commissioned officers are available for International Gold Credit Card, which is also free of cost for lifetime. And for non-commissioned officers, their eligibility is for India Card, which is again free of cost. One more advantage is lifetime unique account number, which is also absolutely free for lifetime. All the above information shared with you is gained from the official website of Bank of India. For more details, you can log into the given website or visit your nearest branch. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share it to maximum. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.